Guys, welcome back. So I'm going to do a brake light on a 2010 Honda CRV. As you can tell from the body style, right? You have the back hatch that's, you know, in shape of a bubble, but there's the front, how it looks. So if you guys aren't sure, but so here's the back to it. They are not attached to the actual door here. So you have it's an 8 millimeter, that 8 there, and you got one more 8 here. So I'm assuming on some cars have this piece here. Mine did not have it on the bottom one, but it did on the top, and it looks like it was already snapped from somebody. So I'm sure it has like a small little tab you press in with the screwdriver, wherever mine is. Oh, there it is. You just kind of press in from the top, and then you kind of pry it back, but do it lightly because somebody snapped ours. So yeah. All right, guys, so this rear light. Okay, so if you know how it comes out straight. So there's no hinge piece that it clips in and then kind of goes inside. It's just a few, I would say, straight into the clips that hold it in. I will show you. So how I actually got it out, I pulled here. I know it's smooth, but I pulled here and I pressed against the outside to kind of make this kind of motion here, and I pulled out at the same time. So I did use 2 hands, so hopefully that helps you out. I'm going to show you how it comes out. So if you come here, you have to kind of pull outwards, and again, like I have a piece that's broken. Cool, awesome, thanks guys. And then if you look here, you have 1, 2, 3 little pieces that actually hold in. So you got that hole, and that hole. So you know, super simple. And you know, you have that one bolt, screw, whatever, bolt there, and that's it. So I'm replacing the brake light, so it's going to be this one. It's the one above where like the blinker is, right there. So you're just gonna take this out. I believe it's gonna twist, as you can see, twist left. So I'm gonna pull that, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. I use some blue the gloves there because you don't want like your hand oils on the actual bulb, but I'm gonna show you that. So here it is with it out. So in some cases you will have to bring your actual your bulb in there to actually make sure you have the right part, because if you go to AutoZone or Napa, wherever you can get your parts from, they might be wrong, and then you got to make an extra trip. So this one, if it'll focus, is 7443, and got these here, 7443. And again, you just have to I would say inspect these, because I've gotten some and they are already bad, which sucks, but it's whatever. So let's install it. I do have the glove on. Again, I don't want to put my hand oils on the bulb, so let's get to it. And it's always smart to just kind of see how it looks inside there. If it's burnt, super burnt, you know, you could have a short somewhere, or if it smells, you know, super burnt. But I just put some lube on there, some grease on there to help it, you know, because I'm sure that if you're sitting in traffic a long time, these do get super hot. So yeah, this just kind of helps it out. But yeah, it's just super simple to install. You just kind of you put it back in, not super snug, like super hard, just kind of where it snaps into place, and it should be good to go. Also, on the light, like, it has this seal right here, so this helps it not get, you know, any dirt or water inside your lens, because also that could screw something up. But yeah, you just kind of see, if I can do this with one hand, put it in there, gentle. And it does have like an arrow on it. I don't know if I can hit the arrow in place, but yeah, you make sure, you see how it's shaped. So you just make sure those little, so it's not like a circle up on the outside, this gray outside. It's a little off, right? It's like an off shape. So the hat right there is gonna help you install it, and then you turn, and then it locks into place. Mine, it was a very like tight fit, so it's gonna seal good. So I'm stoked about that. And then it shouldn't lock into place. And then just put everything back. Just make sure as you put stuff back, it's smooth. Like you're not gonna have this wire like sitting right here up on this little piece, because it will pinch, and then you'll have shorts and all that extra jazz. So yeah, you just put it back on how you did, and of course be sure to put it off an angle first and then put it back. Should be easy. Be sure to verify that it does work after you've done, it's being done. So for like the brake lights, your car does not have to be on, because that circuit is hot at all times. So you got that brake and you got that brake light. So, and of course that's the plate number. So we're solid.